Hi everyone, Brendan Vaux, the gentleman here with you. I am your sales guy. How to find more money in your business today. We're going to go through a case study that illustrates the data dig portion of our 5-step sales design process here at Booth and Vanguard. And before we get going, I want to let you know we're going to make some assumptions on the numbers today. We're going to assume that you've been in business for 10 years. We're going to assume that very conservatively you have a certain amount of contacts in your business. But as we go through, this will allow you to start imagining what is possible in your business. In our highly digital and connected world, your business success hinges on your ability to simply connect. That means that you want to connect with customers you're working with right now, your future prospective customers, and you also want to make sure you're connecting with your past customers. Now, 10 years and 1,200 contacts. We're going to assume, like I said, that you've been in business for 10 years. And if you look at your list of contacts across all the different places you have them, it's my belief that you'll have around 1,200. Again, super conservative numbers because I want to show you what is possible. And this means that you have 1,200 people with phone numbers, email addresses, or some combination of both. So you have a total of 1,200 records across the board. We know based on experience that 15% of them will not be reachable. And this is because there's been a death, the phone numbers changed, they've moved, whatever the case. We also know based on experience that an additional 15% will not want to do business with you. And this can be because they found a new guy, company, or simply they had a bad experience with you in the past. That alone is a whole presentation in and of itself that could be a huge business opportunity, but right now we simply don't have time for that. But after all of this math, that leaves you with a total number of contacts of 867. $173,400. If we assume that each client will pay you $200 per job averaged out across the board, and you have 867 workable contacts, it is our belief you are sitting on a potential substantial amount of business, $173,400. Let me ask you, what would that amount of money mean to your business? So how do you tap into all of this potential? Well, it's a simple 3-step approach. First, you need to organize the data, get it all in one place, make sure you know what you're working with, and build the list so that you get some quick wins to build momentum for you and the team. What you're going to do is you're going to build an appointment script, short and to the point, and set up a booking calendar using a tool like Calendly, which is free. The reason you want to do this is because it's simple and effective. It gets you appointments, gets you in front of the possible potential contact, and allows you to close new business. And whoever you have in the office making those calls to book the appointments uses the amazing appointment script, the booking on Calendly or some other tool that pushes directly to your calendar, your team's calendar, so it's fluid and nobody misses a beat. So let me ask you, if even half of what was stated in this presentation were true, if half of the $174,000 were true, what would it be worth to you for us to work together? Let me know using the contact information on the next page. I would love to talk to you. Guys, in closing, I am Brendan Vaux, the gentleman. My phone number is on the board there. You can call or text me anytime. Email me, boothandvanguard@gmail.com. Check us out online, boothandvanguard.com. We would love to talk to you further about what was in this presentation, about our 5-step sales design process, and what is possible for your business. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon.